Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Capis, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is journal. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 23rd till the 29th of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Let's start. Capis, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. Oh, sorry, I have to use another deck. Cool, let's see. Na, 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 na. We have the Justice card. So someone is feeling like they should bring the balance back in the situation somehow. Right now, things are going very up and down or kind of imbalanced, and they feel like they should just do the right thing to make the situation balanced, or to try to find the balance in the situation. Let's clarify the Justice. We have the Ace of Cups, the Eight of Swords, the Justice card. Yeah, this person is feeling very overwhelmed with the kind of energies, with the kind of emotions that they feel for the situation. They're kind of overthinking as well, and they can't stop thinking negative about the situation. They are feeling very much in some kind of mental jail because of the situation, right? And they are feeling like they should just do the right thing. Justice twice, they feel like bringing balance back to the situation somehow and doing the right thing in this direction, whatever that means in your case. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? What is wrong with my hair? I don't know. They're looking pretty cool, but at the same time, it's like frizzy as hell. What do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Hermit card. So from your side, you feel like you should think about it from all the possible angles. Like you should think about all the pros and cons and negatives and positives before you are going to say or do something about the situation in the long run. Let's clarify the Hermit. We have the World card, the Hanged Man, the Seven of Swords, right? See, there is some kind of deceptive energies that you got to know about this particular person or situation and or yourself. Might be you committed to them, or might be you had a connection with them, and now you're realizing that you're not really into the situation as you thought you are. Or for whatever reason, you feel like you should take a break and you should understand each and everything about the situation, about yourself, and then you should proceed further in this direction. Wow. So you feel like you should think about it with every possible angle before proceeding further, before saying or doing anything more in this direction. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Oh, Mora Sajana, I am this. Their intention is to let go of the anxiety and the stress and the disappointments that they are going through because of this situation again and again and kind of again. Let me clarify the Five of Cups. We have the Knight of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, the Three of Wands. See, their intention is to come forward towards you, but not right now. They want to deal with the stressful energies that they're going through. They want to let go of everything that is kind of making them feel not so worthy, not so happy, not so deserving in this connection. Right now, physically, this person just wants to keep moving ahead. Okay, they just want to wait and watch for the right time, and they will be able to connect with you and sort it out with you in some way, so that you both can decide whether you want to stick around or let it go. But they definitely want to let go of the anxiety, the stress, the not so good vibes out of this situation, so that you guys can connect when the timing is going to be right and when the dust is going to settle down. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Seven of Swords. You just want to be truthful and honest about this situation. You just want the uh, honest and naked truth about the situation, about this person's feelings, and about what they want and what they don't want in the situation. You just want this situation to be blunt and clear. Let me clarify the Seven of Swords here. We have the Ten of Swords, Death, and the King of Pentacles. Yes. See, you want to have a stable dynamic, a stable relationship, a stable, compassionate, loving, and nurturing kind of energy. But all you want is the truth and honesty out of this situation. Otherwise, you just want to put an end to this situation for the rest of your life and never look back. You don't want to be in a connection just for the sake of being in a connection. If this is lies, cheatings, manipulations, or games of any kind, you just want to say goodbye to this situation and never look back, because you give so many chances to this situation, to this person might be, and they were not able to respond to your energies beautifully or positively, and you just can't take it anymore. Okay, got it, honey. Happens. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 29th of December. Ace of Pentacles. I do see someone coming towards you with this opportunity of having a restart, having a brand new beginning in this situation, in this direction. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles. See, someone is coming towards you with this kind of energy of, hey, I have emotions for you, I love you, I want to be with you. But at the same time, this person is not going to make you like feel the stability of this connection the way you want it to have. So maybe even if someone is coming towards you with some kind of offer towards offer of starting or restarting a chapter with you again, you guys will not be able to come on the same page whatsoever, at least for the time being. So it's like a scenario where one person is ready to start and go together, go to the next level. Other person is kind of not that much sure about it, and they're kind of going to take their time. Now the Hermit in your energies and Hermit in the outcome is like telling me that you are the one who's holding back this urge to say yes or no to this connection, just like that. You just want to think about it long and hard enough, and then you want to make the right choice and the right decision in this direction. That is the right thing to do, actually. The guidance for you, the world. Okay, you have to finish the unfinished business with whosoever it is guiding you to do that. Finish the unfinished business so that you can move to the next chapter of your life with peace and with ease. It's very, very important for you to finish the unfinished business, maybe with multiple energies, maybe with one person, that you know better than like me, okay, or anybody else. Finishing the unfinished businesses so that you can move to the next chapter with a clean, fresh slate, clean, fresh energy is highly, highly recommended in order to move to the next chapter of your life, okay? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.